Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to increase your RAM on both PC and laptop by using virtual memory in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This method helps your system perform faster when physical RAM is running low. So stay tuned till the end to learn the exact step and calculation. Let's get started. Click start, then go to settings. Click here system, scroll down, click about. Here you can see I'm having 12 GB of RAM in my laptop. Scroll down, go to advanced settings, click here advanced tab and click settings. Under performance, click the tab advanced in the performance options, click it. Click here the virtual memory. You can see here the virtual memory is basically a paging file, is an area on the hard disk the Windows uses as if it's were a RAM. So total paging size for all drive is showing 1500 MB. Here you can see, just uncheck it, the automatically manage paging. Click the custom size. Here you can see initial size is mentioned as megabytes and maximum size is in megabytes. So two options you need to select, but you don't know exactly how the values you need to put. If you put some other figures, it will not going to work. So let's calculate the virtual memory paging settings for 4 GB, 8 GB, 12 GB, 16 GB and 32 GB RAM using Microsoft recommended formula. The formula is initial size should be 1.5 into RAM and maximum size is 3 into RAM. So here we will take an example, 4 GB RAM. You can see this a tabular form here. Installed RAM is 4 GB and we have to put initial size 6144 and maximum size is 12288 MB. So let's open the calculator first. How we will calculate, I'll give you the exact calculation how you need to calculate, because if you make a mistake here, the paging size not going to work for the virtual memory and it's not going to help you for the machine to be work more faster. So let's calculate first with the formula which Microsoft itself has been recommended. So here we will take an example of 4 GB RAM. So in calculator we will calculate this 4096 into 1.5 equals to 6144. This is the initial size we need to feed up in the virtual memory, and the maximum size we will need to calculate. Okay, so the maximum size we are going to calculate is 3 into the default RAM. RAM here is 4 GB. Okay, so we will calculate 3 into 4096. So the total will come as 12288 MB. This is the maximum size we need to add in the virtual memory. In my case, my laptop having 12 GB of RAM. So let's take a closer look of my system. Go to settings. Over here you can see 12 GB RAM. So we will calculate this. How we will calculate, I'll show you the proper steps with an example of my laptop itself, like I'm having a RAM of 12 GB. So we will calculate this 12 GB into 12288 into 1.5. So in calculator is showing 18432. This is the figure you need to input in the initial size, right? Next, we will calculate the maximum size in the calculator itself. So we need to multiply 3 into 12288. So the amount will be showing here 36864 in the calculator. So we have calculated the maximum size we need to feed up in the virtual memory, right? So initial size 18,432 and the maximum size is 36,864 MB. So if you're having 16 GB, you need to calculate like this. If you're having 32 GB, you need to calculate like this. So you make sure you multiply with the initial size 1.5 into RAM and maximum size into 3 into RAM. So whatever the size you have your RAM, so you multiplied it as per the Microsoft recommended formula. So here let's take the example of mine, 12 GB RAM I'm having it. So the number we need to input is 18,432. So you copy the exact number from here and put it in the initial size. So to make the task easier, I have put it in the notepad itself, and I'll just copy it from the maximum size here as per the tabular form. Maximum size is 36,864. Click OK, and this will ask you to restart your computer. So click apply, click OK, and it will pop you to restart now or restart later. So I'll do it restart now in order to get the effect of the memory size which we have increased in the virtual memory. Now, this is how you can increase your RAM on any PC or laptop using virtual memory. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.